Hello everyone, myself Vedant, and today is December 21. So let's start with today's crypto analysis and also the analysis of this week. So let's come up to Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. If we see firstly, Bitcoin on the weekly time frame just closed or going to close this indecisive candle or just sort of a doji candle, and right now it's not looking well. It's just a consolidation phase is right now going on in Bitcoin, and also it could be possible that price could bounce back upside like it did before. Again, in Bitcoin, if it crosses this previous high and um, so yes, let's see where it breaks as this is the dominating candle right now on the weekly time frame, and these 4 weeks are was these four candles were just a consolidation going on in Bitcoin. Also, it's a December, so as we all know, it's a really weak month for any move. And similarly, we could see the markets as they are not moving much. So if we see on the daily time frame, on Friday it closed a good bullish candle, and okay, so yes, if we come up to 4 hour time frame, it just broke its previous swing lower time frame swing low, and it's just again trying to continue downside. So yes, but let's see if it continues well further and cross these previous lows or not, as price is consolidating right now. Let's see if it continues downside or not. Mm, so to get the confirmation, as I've already said on the weekly time frame, price need to break this pre swing high to change its structure to bullish, and till then we won't be planning any buy trade on 4 hour time frame on Bitcoin. And if we see on the 1 hour time frame, so yes, these are some trades I've planned on Bitcoin lastly. And yes, if I show you this on the 1 hour time frame, the price is just on a lower loop pattern structure, and the this range was a bit high volatile, and mm, yes, it's just uh, volatile market was there this week, and not much good trades were captured, so as it had a really big uh, this risk, and let's see if it continues downside or just sweeps our stop losses and tries to reverse. But for us, the market structure for now is just bearish, and let's see where the market continues. And yes, that's it for Bitcoin. And also, if I say this was the trade today I just entered, and also if you wanna get a re-entry, you could just enter at somewhat this level for a good 1:3 or 1:5, 1:4 trade, targeting this previous low. And yes, this could be the possible trade on Bitcoin for now, if it breaks this previous candle low. So that's it for Bitcoin for today. And if you come up to Ethereum on the weekly time frame closed, mm, it's going to close kind of a doji only, as it's having a lot of pressure from downside. And uh, let's see how it closes. It's 11 hours left for the weekly candle close. So if you come up to daily time frame, on the daily time frame, uh, it closed a very bullish and reversing candle on daily time frame on Ethereum. So it's showing a good this what we say rejection from this area. Okay, so if we come up to 4 hour time frame, on 4 hour, it's just if you see it shifted its structure to again lower low after this fake move of going upside. It first tried to break its structure to bullish, but again it's going down. So yes, it's bearish for now on 4 hour time frame. And also if we see on the 1 hour, uh, it's on a lower low structure, so we could only plan for selling right now, and accordingly I have planned some trades right there, but right now it's just going up, but it's way far from our stop loss for now. Let's see if it goes and continues down again, or just sweeps our stop loss there. So that's it for Ethereum as well. No buying uh, for now, and only looking for good sell setups. So if we come up to XRP on the daily time frame closed a good bullish candle on the Friday session. Uh, okay. If you see on the 4 hour time frame, it's on a lower low pattern, but uh, okay. Also, it crossed this previous swing low or the lower low, but failed to sustain below. So that's a big thing to worry about. It could be an end to this, what we say, continuation of downtrend if it fails to sustain below and bounces back. It could be a big reversal for XRP uh, on the higher time frame. Also, if we come up to 1 hour time frame, it's on a lower low pattern, and as we have marked this level, we planned this selling trade right here, and these are the trades running right now. And also, if I could tell you, this was the trade I have entered, and I have exited it somewhat. Uh, sorry, I've exited it somewhat right at this point because it failed to sustain below, and I've just exited it at 1:1 risk reward. So yes, also I re-entered the trade right here in the morning today. And if you want to plan a trade, if you are not entered right now, you could plan a trade right here like this, targeting for 1:3 or the new low if it sustains. And yes, that's it for XRP. And similarly, if we come up to BNB also closed a good daily bullish candle, and coming on to 4 hour, it's also on a lower low trend, but it haven't crossed its previous low till now. So it's in a consolidation as well on the higher time frame and not continuing its downtrend well. So coming on to 1 hour time frame, it's on a lower low pattern. We are planning for sales, but no selling setup is being found for now. Again, if a good selling candle closes right here, we could plan a sell trade like this, aiming for 1:3 or this low. So let's see if any pattern forms right here. We would be planning accordingly. Coming on to Solana. Solana on the daily time frame also closed a good bullish candle. Also, it tried to break this previous low, but failed to sustain and trying to reverse back. Let's see if it continues downside or not. Uh, if you see it up on the 4 hour time frame, it's just uh, continuing its pattern downside, but as it just crossed its previous low and it reversed back so well that it's a thing to worry if it crosses its previous swing high of this, which we have already marked. It could reverse back very well, or it could be a reversal for Solana, uh, or it should just continue downside as its trend is bearish for now for us. And yes, we are looking for sells only. And also, if we see on the 1 hour, we have planned these trades on Solana, and right now these two trades are running, and this is most probably exited on 1:1, I guess, or low. Uh, okay, it's less than 1:1. So yes, I've exited it as it also reversed back so quick and failed to sustain. So I've exited it most of the portion of the position right there only. And yes, this is the new trade I've entered. Let's see how it goes. So that's it for Solana as well. Coming on to Dogecoin. Dogecoin on the daily time frame closed a very bullish candle on Friday session. If we see on the 4 hour, it's on a lower low trend or lower low structure only. So yes, it's a good indication for us. Also, if we see Dogecoin on the 1 hour time frame, it's also on a lower low pattern only on 1 hour as well. And uh, these are the levels we have marked with, and this is the trade I planned right there. And right now it is running, and I might have booked. Just let me check. Okay, so I've booked my some partials right here. I guess yes, right here. Uh, and further, it's running. Let's see if the price continues downside or not on Dogecoin. And mm, also, if we consider it, this could be a possible trade in Dogecoin. If the Dogecoin crosses this level, uh, we could plan a good sell trade right here on Dogecoin, and we could sell it here with a very small risk. And yes, it could be a good trade if the price want to continue downside. It might go from here. So that's it for Dogecoin as well, and for today's analysis also. I hope you like the analysis. Uh, Thank you so much for watching my analysis, and stay tuned for further analysis like these. Thank you.